Hello YouTube, this is part 2 of how to build a battery box, how to build a battery box for solar systems, how to build a battery box for an RV DIY. So guys, we're heading to paint this box today. I got all geared up. Look at that, you gotta shake it vigorously, shake it really hard and get this thing ready. You guys can see rust-oleum. This one can resist up to 1200 degrees. You can see right on the corner. Keep in the glare. Resist heat up to about 1200 degrees. It's meant for these guys. High heat ultra for barbecue grills and rust-oleum right here. So I'm gonna go spray this thing really good, and after that we come back and do the rest of the thing. And stay tuned for the part 3. What we're gonna be doing today is spraying and all the good stuff. Take care and subscribe and share to the video. Bye for now. Alright guys, we're gonna start trying to do in a very remote place that's gonna cause any problems. You guys can see. Get it out there. Stay tuned. Alright guys, I just want to show you the outcome or the output, and I face a lot of challenges. It's not as easy as I think. The reason why is the wind. The wind was against me. The wind was blowing, and I don't want to do it indoors. I want to do it outside. And just a little box. So I was painting, spraying the thing. The wind is blowing. There might be some kind of little flaws on the painting. Well, maybe some other place you can see like it's kind of a little bit thick, or maybe you can see it doesn't dissolve that well. Some shiny spots like here. Other stuff because of when you're trying to penetrate, and the wind is flying with the paint. So I don't have no control with that, though I do, because if I would have done it inside, I'm not gonna face all this, but I don't want to do it inside. I don't want paint all over like in my garage. My car is in there, so not that crazy, but I know what to do. So guys, this is how it turns out. I think everything got this just like a one coat priming, and I really pleased with the turnout. Show you the back. It's not gonna be fantastic or the way some of you guys think probably it's gonna turn out because if you see there's a sticker right there, I didn't even remove that. I removed the sticker, but the glue was still there. You see here, it's kind of a little bit flawed. See the paint's like almost like draining, running down. You can see that because of the wind. And guys, I've done what I've supposed to be done. It's not gonna be the best, but I just wanna restructure or bring back this thing to life. At least it can be a little bit decent for my application. So it's not like I'm looking for professional credit here, but if you want to give me credits, you can. And I want to thank you in advance for that. But this is how it turns out, and thanks for the support and thanks for your help. And I was looking for suggestions how to cut the plexiglass. Let me know. Let me know what your thoughts are. At least I can able to see, I can find something I can able to utilize on you guys' opinion. But so far so good. That's how it looks like inside. And this from the light of the camera, that's why you see the kind of white, but it's shiny because of the lights on the camera. So everything is black, it's fine. But I'm looking for you guys' input towards my plexiglass. Am I going to go about it, cut the plexiglass? If I don't hear from you guys, I'll go with my idea, or my idea I thought I was gonna go with this. But anyway, if you contribute on this, I want to thank you. If you don't give any input, I still appreciate you being part of my channel, and thanks for the support. And this is the bottom part of it. This is just the hole. It's not like any paint, it's just a finger can go through, and all the way down. That's the second hole where the door used to be. So, and it turns out pretty good. I'm happy with it, and I don't know for you guys. Give me a like and thumbs up, and sure, see the lights is glowing right here, right there, because of the camera. All right, thank you guys. Bye for now. Stay tuned for more to come.